What's up, guys? Just gonna take this off real quick. It's a 21 millimeter fucking nut. Let's see. No, I'm doing it wrong. Yeah. Here we go. This is the first time I'm replacing the shocks. I've never replaced them on this my 04. This is actually a lot simpler than I thought it was. This side. Here we go. I live down here in Texas, South Texas, so nothing's rusted. Look at that, 21. Now I just gotta get the top. Look at that, you could hear the yeah, this thing is gone. Okay, now let me get the top one up there. Okay, so I got it loose. Let's see. Put this mic back on. Okay, so here's the other one from the top. Just walk it. There you go. Yeah, look at this shit. Oh, it doesn't even come back out. Oh, it's trash. Look, it doesn't even come back up no more. Alright, make myself cleaned up a little bit because a bunch of shit fell on my face. And let me put the new one back on. But yeah, this is trash, dude. It's crazy. I've never changed these out since I owned this truck. It's been 12 years since I've owned this truck. Never changed it. That's the result. I wonder if the right quality was shit. Okay, so here's new shock. You have to compress it about 3 times, maybe 4. So the way I did on the driver's side was I cut the top one off. Without taking this thing off, because it is a little difficult. So now just loosen it up. That is. And just there you go. There. Come up. Just compress it. You have to do this about 3 times. You gotta charge it, press it. Okay, on the next one, the third one, I just compress it one more time. And then on the 4th, I'll go ahead and put the strap back on. This way it's easier to mount. Okay, that's the one. And it's ready. It's charged. Now let's get back onto there. Okay, so the way I did it on the driver's side was I put the top one up top first, just thread it in a couple, and then I'll go ahead and position it here, cut the ties, and when it gets about the hole, you just slam it in the screw. Let me just show you. Alright, so I'm just about ready to put the shock back in. It's still loose up on the top. Just give me some wiggle room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the box started. I forgot how it's supposed to go like this. Wait. I'm not even sure. I totally forgot. Okay, the other side. Position now, just let's cut the strap. When the strap goes into the circle, that's when we'll okay, there it goes. Oh, I missed it. Damn. Compress it now. Don't panic. Just press it. There you go. I missed it on this on the driver's side. I didn't miss it. Okay, now just zip it down. Torque it to 75 foot-pounds. Top and bottom, both sides. Good to go. But yeah, I did miss it. I wanted to do it all cool like I did with the other side. This is actually pretty easy. It's just the timing.